and really didn't like being locked in a house. I didn't want him to escape and run away forever, so I brought him back where he was most comfortable. It can get pretty cold in the winter months, so I thought, why not build him a little house? It's insulated and painted a nice color. He had his very own office in the shop.
Hey Ben. What's up, Paul?
It's been 2 years now. I come in and feed him every day when I drive up, and every morning he sat there waiting.
Paul.
And he's so comfortable now, he'll take his naps on my lap. And follow me around. It's great to have him waiting every morning, and everyone in the office loves Paul just as much as me that they spend their lunch breaks giving him cuddles. He's home when he's here. He's the biggest part of our work family.